If you want to know how to start an online business with a small budget as a beginner, then I've created a totally free course for you, showing you how to start an online business with a small budget, and this will work for you whether you are a total beginner or whether you've had some experience online. And I'll show you how you can start an online business for less than $50 a month. So if you stay watching till the end, you'll see what this course is all about and how it can help you get started with very little money, and by the end of the video, you'll know how to start your own successful online business, how to get started as soon as today using my completely free course and giveaways. Plus, once we're done, and as a bonus for staying, I'll also give you the link to my private training video showing you how to get unlimited leads to your offers or products, and that link will be displayed in the video and nowhere else at some point during the course of the video, which means that you have to keep watching and take down the link when it appears. And if you do decide to join this free course, then towards the end of the video, I'll throw in an added extra bonus. So I hope you don't mind me over-delivering. Hey, it's Jacques van der Merwe here from AffiliateMarketingMind.com, where I teach you how to start your own successful online business, how to avoid the many pitfalls along the way, and how you can scale your business. Now, this is a brand new YouTube channel that I've created so that I can share the experience I've gained over the last 2 years since starting my online business with affiliate marketing. And YouTube is one of my sources of traffic to my affiliate offers. Well, this is actually my third YouTube channel. So I'll also share my experience in building up a YouTube channel as an organic source of traffic to affiliate marketing offers. So if you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. Also, all the links to everything I mentioned in this video will be in the description box below the video, except for the bonus training that will only appear in the video. So let's get started. Well, I'm really excited right now. I launched this course a few weeks ago, and the response to it has been overwhelming. And it's called Affiliate Marketing Mind. And it's an online course that's totally free for you, and I built this to help the person who wants to start an online business with a small budget. You see, when I started my online business a few years ago, I had no idea where to start, and I was paying in the region of $300 a month for probably a year without making any money. And I was spending money on software and on training, but with nobody to point me in the right direction and show me where to go. But now I've reached a point where I spend several hours every week with people trying to lay out a blueprint for them. And they have a decent budget to spend on their business every month. But I also have people approaching me and they are not able to spend a lot of money every month. That is why I made it my goal to find a way for those people that do not have a large budget to get started for under $50 a month and to get started quickly. So that's where this course came from, and I created it to help you go out there and actually build an online business. So I give you a 15-day challenge. That will give you all the background steps you need to get started with your online business. Then I give you all the software to use, and that includes the email software, the funnel builder, how to track your links, all that stuff. Plus, on top of that, I give you all my lead magnets for free that help me to attract people to my offers. And it includes my ebook and my affiliate marketing video training course. And both of those are completely white labeled. I don't mention my name, I don't mention my brand, meaning you can use them as your own and brand them as your own. You can basically do whatever you want with them. You can give them away for free, you can sell them, whatever. So I'm going to go over to my computer screen and show you this course and how the system works. Okay, so we're looking at my computer screen right now, and this is AffiliateMarketingMind.com. This is the page you'll get to if you follow the link that's in the description box below the video. And it starts off with start earning affiliate commissions as soon as today. Get started for free, and you can copy my multiple six-figure affiliate marketing system. And I'll even show you how to get started without paying for advertising. Okay, and then it goes on to a short 10-minute video, and the video will give you background about affiliate marketing, how affiliate marketing works, and how this specific system works. Then you'll get to a point where you can join the Affiliate Marketing Mind. It says create your account for free, and you don't need any credit card information or anything like that. It is totally free to join. And then we scroll down and we see some proof of income from some of the guys that have been following the system. In 16 days, he earned, well, just about $3,300. There's another $65 commission. There's another $1,000 commission. And then weekly commissions of between $3,000 and $5,000 ever since 2018. And you can go scroll down and there's another join opportunity to join. And it says copy my system and download my funnels for free. So once you click on this join button, you'll come over to this page. So this is the page where you register to get access to the members area and where you'll log in the next time you want to get into the members area. So you can bookmark this page, or you can simply go back to Affiliate Marketing Mind again and log in from there, so that you can come back to the course as many times as you need or as you want. And it requires a name and an email address. That way you can be informed whenever I add new funnels or when I release new training videos, and also reminders of the weekly training sessions that take place. Then after that, you put in a password and you confirm your password and you simply click on confirm. It will then register you on the system and it'll come back here, and then you will log in from this page. So once you put in your email and your password and you sign in, you will come over to the next page, which is this one. Okay, so on here you'll find firstly a welcome video by myself, where I simply talk about the system again, how it works, how the dashboard works, what you can expect from it, and so on. So in this members area, as you can see, there are several modules contained in this course. I'll briefly tell you about them, but I don't want to spend too much time on it. I want you to rather go in and look around and look through it for yourself. But this is basically the structure. So you'll get here with the start here, which gives you a quick tour of the dashboard, principles behind the program, and what platform I use and why. Then there's the setup, how to set up your system, and then we move on to module number 3, which is the affiliate marketing ebook, and this will tell you how to get the ebook, where to download it and everything, and what changes you need to make to it so that it will reflect your own affiliate links in the ebook. Then there's the ebook funnel, in other words, the website that you can download into your account with the ebook. Then there's the affiliate marketing course, which is the video training course. Again, it is where to get it, how to download it, launch it, changes you need to make to the funnel, and the email sequence of that funnel. And you may have heard the expression that says the money is in the list. And the reason for that is people don't buy, or very seldom buy, the first time they're exposed to anything. So it normally takes between 5 to 7 times that somebody needs to see an offer before they'll actually go over to action, or they'll actually take action and take you up on the offer. And that's why email sequences are so important. And that is also the reason why so many affiliate marketers fail at affiliate marketing, because they show the offer to a potential client once and never again. And it's very seldom that they are successful in affiliate marketing. When you download the funnel, then with it comes an email sequence for each funnel. And it can vary, the length or the duration of that sequence can vary from 4 days up to more than 30 days. And those emails that are pre-written will automatically download into your account as well. And all you need to do is put some information on a single page. I will give you all the links for the affiliate programs that you can sign up for. And once you've got your affiliate links, there's a single page on this system where you will put in your affiliate links. And wherever the funnel requires an affiliate link, it will automatically take your link out of that one single page and put that into the funnel, in other words, into the website or into the email sequences. Then we get here to Legendary Marketer, which is a high-ticket affiliate program. And you can download the funnel for that year as well. And what that does is you use your lead magnet to attract people, and you get them to buy in on a low-cost offer, which in this case is a $7 offer. And once they've signed up for it, Legendary Marketer will carry on marketing to them. And if they buy anything in the process, you will still earn commissions. So, because this is a high ticket, you can earn commissions of $1,000, $1,300, even up to $2,800 per sale. Then we move on to the Affiliate Marketing Mind funnel, which in other words is this whole system. I even allow you to download this whole system, including the ebook, including the affiliate marketing course, including the Legendary Marketer funnel, and this funnel in itself. And you can use that, and you can, again, it's white labeled. You can promote it any way you want. You can do with it however you choose. Then I give you some training on how to use multiple funnels. In other words, if you want to use the ebook, the marketing course, the Legendary Marketer, and the Affiliate Marketing Mind funnels on a single domain. I give you instructions on that and how that works, and I even give you traffic tips, and I show you how to get free traffic, and I even give you some tips on paid traffic. Then if you need support, there's the contact details for me in case you need support. So as you can see, I give you everything. I give you the lead magnets, I give you the funnels, I give you instructions on how to use these funnels, and I even give you traffic tips. So literally all you have to do once you've set up your funnel, all you need to do is start driving traffic to it. And whether that be through Facebook or other social media or whatever form you decide on, driving traffic to it is all you need to do. And if you have a look at the card that will be appearing at the top of the screen, you'll even find a video on there which I've done on using your Facebook profile, your personal Facebook profile, as a sales funnel to drive traffic to your offers. So if you decide that you want to take up my offer of this free course and you sign up for the digital marketing platform, I'd like to give you an extra bonus. And that includes all the training you'll need for the platform, how to download more successful and profitable funnels, how to create your own sales funnels, how to have your own training courses, and much more. And you can have an over-the-shoulder look at how it's done step by step. It also includes weekly coaching sessions where you can ask any questions you may have about the platform, and it also gives you training about how you can promote this platform and earn commission from it. Well, if you've enjoyed this video and found some value in it, then please give it a like. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you've not subscribed yet, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release new videos. And have a look in the description box below for the link to the free training course. And finally, leave me a comment down below saying you are in, you're going to follow this method, or tell me what is the biggest problem that's preventing you from getting started. Maybe it's something I can make a video about in the future. Well, thank you for coming to my channel and watching this video. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.